Hi everyone, it's Helen here and thank you for joining me today. So today I'm going to be showing you how to quickly put together the pizza for tea die set from Simply Made Crafts. Now this is the mini pizza box that it makes, and I absolutely love this one. This shape here, that's definitely my favourite, the way it just goes in there as well. I really like this box. Okay, so this is the pizza for tea die set. Here is the set here. Let's see if I can get the lighting good so you can actually see the box. So it cuts it all out, it comes with all the mats, and you even have this die here that's going to cut compartment trays as well to fit inside the pizza box. At the front you do need to trim some of this down to make it fit, but we only had room in there for this one die, otherwise we would have popped in another die here to shape the front, but it's just simple cuts to make it fit, so that's nice and easy. You also get this banner and a layering die, and also this embosses as well. It embosses the word pizza. So what can we put in our little pizza boxes? Loads of different things. So have I got anything in here? I do. I have a little treat. So this is a tiny candy pizza. I really like that. So that is in that pizza box, and here again I've used all of the papers from the Great Night In paper pad, and that's a 12 by 12 pad. And here we have like a movie themed birthday as well. So in this pizza box I have a cookie. I really want to eat this. I have 2 cookies in here as well, so I do have some leftovers, so I might be munching on those later. Filming does make me hungry, so, and again this just folds back in there. There we go, so it holds it snugly, and you only have to add glue to the front, to the back, to those 2 tabs at the back. So in that one we have that one, and in here this is a little bit different because I've really layered up the top of the box. I've personalised it. I think I might need to add a little black bow maybe to the top here, to the side, just to finish it off. And from the offcuts here from this negative strip, I've just popped them along here just to add a little bit of extra detail, because it's the perfect size for this little indent that goes in there. So what have I got in here? I've got some more cookies. So these ones are the chocolate ones, and again I've just used some cellophane bags. Just some cellophane bags there, just to package everything so it doesn't get grease marks and things like that. And again I've cut this one out fully from gold glitter cardstock. It's the non-shed kind. Okay, that's all the showcasing. Oh, I have one more. Again, this is going to be perfect for weddings and adding favour boxes. You can just pop a couple of cookies in there. I mean, how inexpensive is that? A couple of cookies in there, make up your pizza box. You can keep them all flat. I know weddings are coming back now, so it's all really good and promising. So get started on making your table gifts now. Even if you just keep them all flat, they're ready to go. Right, now let's get on with showing you how easy this is to put together. So let's get out the set here. I've popped mine onto a magnetic sheet. Again, you're going to be needing an A4 die cutting machine for this one. Let's grab this out, and I've already cut it out actually. I've done a lot of prep for this one because of the die cutting for the mats, but you do get the mats for all of them. As you can see here, you get all the mats for those. So I'm going to score or fold all of the score lines. I'm going to put on my mat, on my mats here, front of mat. You can even decorate the inside as well, and I've got all these mats to add. So let's get that put on. So just do the same on the other side, fold everything in, Okay, and there we have our pizza box. Now you don't really need to, if you don't want to, glue these to there, but just for extra security I am. Okay, I'm just making sure that my corners aren't overlapping and that they're nice and neat, and they are. So now we can just pop these side panels in the side and then tuck that in there, and there we have our pizza box. Right, so time to decorate. I'm going to be using, if I can find them, here we are, to the side, I'm going to be using the stitched and pierced scallop nesting ovals, the Great Night In Labels A5 stamp set, and the matching Great Night In Labels die set. So these cut out these images here, and it comes as a bundle, so they're going to be bundled together with a belly band. Let's get gluing. Okay, I'm just finishing this off now. So I've done some cut aparts from the 12 by 12 pad, so there's quite a few things to choose from in there, and my stamped image, my leftover negative strip from the popcorn box, and I'm just going to pop this on here with my foam pads because there's loads of layering on there now. That looks really good, all layered up. I really like that. So that is, oh, one other thing I forgot, these little rectangles here, these are the leftovers from those. These actually fit perfectly inside there, so I'm going to quickly glue those on because I think that's really going to finish this box off as well. So this isn't one of those boxes or this style, I don't want to add any bows or anything like that. You can do. I'm going to have to open this up to add that because I need to press it down. I'm using a textured linen cardstock here, so it is It needs a bit of pressing, so let's add the next one. I've got 2 there. I do, I've got 2. I think this is really just going to finish off this box really nice. There we go. And that is the mini pizza box, the pizza for tea die set. So I really like how that has come out. I'm going to pop some cookies in there. You can fill it with treats. It's absolutely perfect. You can even put the person's initial on there for your movie night. So I know that lockdown is easing off now. We can have garden, you can have visitors in the garden. I think it's 6 for where we are, so, or 1 other household. So absolutely perfect for outdoor movie nights. So that is the Simply Made Crafts Pizza for Tea die set. If you like this one, give me a thumbs up and I'll see you next time.